Hello world and welcome to Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Today in our video we will take a look about BNB. Guys, what's going on with BNB? Take a look on this. This is the daily chart. It's absolutely amazing. Look at this here. On January we had a price about 50 bucks. Now we are on 300 bucks on BNB. BNB is absolutely exploding. And what is the next target for BNB? What is the next support? What's the next resistance? What's going on? Damn, I don't know. We will take a look about it. Let's check for the first thing here, CoinMarketCap. You see it here, Bitcoin momently at 52,900 at today, plus about 3%. On 7 days, a plus about 10.5%. It's pumping a little bit today, and it's pumping from the whole week. It's pumping for the months. It's pumping for the last year. It's pumping. Okay. BNB, place number 3. BNB has it's extreme, place number 3. Take a look like this. XRP is on place number 7. ADA 6.5 and BNB place number 3. The top 3 coin BNB is unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. Binance coin is mooning. Take a look at this, $289 on 24 hours. 53% and a plus on 7 days, 114% a plus. BNB coin is exploding, is absolutely exploding. Take a look at this. This is the daily chart about BNB, and I think it's not necessary to turn on the RSI, but just for fun, let's check the RSI, the relative strength index. Let's check it. Okay, as you can see, it's not really wondering me. It's a little bit overbought, I would say, about 94 points. Okay, it's a little bit overbought. Every trader on every other coin will sell absolutely all now because it's a little bit overbought with 94%. Let's take a look about the 4-hour chart. Can we see a special thing in the 4-hour chart? And take a look at this, guys. It's extreme. Even on the 4-hour chart, we are extreme oversold, overbought with 90 points. It's so extreme. Take a look about the 1-hour chart. So here it is a little bit interesting now. Okay, it's extreme overbought even in the 1-hour chart. I think we will see maybe a big dump here from BNB because it's so overbought. It's unbelievable. Let's take a look about the EMA ribbon band, and this is, yes, you can see it here. It's on the upper side here to BNB. Let's go in, let's zoom in here, and now we are here on a better view in the 1-hour chart. Okay, this is the hash ribbon band. You can see it here. It is a lot of space here, but and the ribbon band is growing and growing and growing. And for this time, we can see this is a support for now. If BNB will dump here for now, we have a support about 243 US dollar. That's the first thing we can see here if we are looking at BNB very quickly. The next thing is we have a really extreme parallel channel here to the uptrend. Let's draw it from here, from the long point here to this one and to this point here. This is this one. And as you can see, BNB is now on the end of this uptrend, on the end of this parallel channel. So what's going on now? Will we see here a big dump? Will we see a dump to 243, or maybe a dump to the bottom of the uptrend, 226, 225 about, or this 220? That's very likely here because of this end of the uptrend here. That's the first thing we can say. Okay, we have to take a look about this ribbon band. We have to take a look about the bottom of the uptrend for BNB for now. That's important here. So what else can we see? We see here was a breakout on the 1-hour chart, was a breakout of this and this, and you see it is a triangle. and we saw the breakout of this triangle for about 3 hours or 4 hours. This was the breakout. It touched again, it was the retest, and it bumped from here. And this is the target for our triangle breakout. It's not so important to make it here. So like this. This is the target of our breakout. So if I had time to trade this here, this was a really perfect breakout of this triangle. And as you can see, the target of the breakout is here on the upper side about 302. And BNB doesn't reach this breakout momently, but it's possible to reach it for now. If I had traded this, or if I would traded this this breakout, my target would be on this point, 295, and I would sold here. I will sell here on 295. You see, it reached here 300, or not 299, 300. It reached 300, and then it dumped down a little bit. So we see it was a very nice breakout from this one here. So let's check another thing here. We don't need to take a look about BNB versus Bitcoin, because BNB is so bullish. It doesn't matter how it looks like versus a Bitcoin. But maybe we can take one thing here. This is a line from this to this here, to this here, and to this here. That's our uptrend line. And this is a very important support here for BNB, and it's about 270 on this point here. That's the next support in the 1 hour chart for BNB. Let's make a parallel channel. Maybe we see a next target if we are breaking out more with BNB. Why not? Altcoins are very bullish and mooning, and maybe we have an outbreak target to 332. If we are breaking out from this uptrend into the next uptrend, everything is possible with BNB. So that's the thing we have to take a look about in the short time. We see the target maybe if we're breaking out 332, and the target if we are breaking down, the first one is 274. The next thing maybe we see here a next forming pattern from this to this. That's the next forming pattern maybe. And if you are breaking out with this pattern, let's take a look at this, a line from this here to this here. And if we are breaking out from this pattern here, the next target is here on this side, 362. That's the next target here if we are breaking out this rising wedge, triangle, whatever. That's the bullish breakout if we are breaking out. If you are breaking down, guys, it may go down a little bit, and I would say it's this one here. It's this point, 218. The technical target is here 206. That's the bottom here of this ribbon band. If we are breaking down, we have to look at this point. So guys, that's the TA for BNB. Very quick TA, because BNB is so bullish, it's very hard to make a TA about BNB. But that are the next targets we have to look about in the next hours, in the next, maybe in the next day. We'll see it. Okay, guys, have a nice time. Thanks for watching, and I hope we see us tomorrow. Bye bye. Greetings. Your BT, your Bitcoin trading informant.